Hey guys, in today's video we're going to do suspension, wheels, and tires on this 2021 Can-Am X3 Turbo RR. So up front we've got the Hcr shock tower support and the front gusset kit. That's going to stiffen up some of the front that can flex from the factory. We've also got the dual sport Hcr front A-arms. There's three different kinds of A-arms that you can get from Hcr. This is the one that's boxed in completely. I went with this because riding around here in Florida, sometimes there's mud and it can get wet, and I don't really want moisture getting in there where it could rust. We're also gonna do the Keller ball joints. I don't wanna have a ball joint failure after we're gonna be upgrading all of this stuff. Every time you upgrade something in the system, it makes something else the new weakest link. I opted to go for the skid plates. Like not a lot of people do the skid plates, but I think that it'll help protect the A-arms over time from getting messed up. They're gonna get coated. Right now, these are raw. We stock them raw because we don't know what color people are gonna want. Everybody wants a different color. I'm gonna get these coated clear, which is what we did on the Polaris too, if you've seen it. That way you can still see all the welds and everything. To me, I feel like it's too pretty to coat black. You'll lose a lot of the detail. We're gonna upgrade the tie rods to the Assault tie rods. Again, I don't wanna create a new weakest link in the system, so I'm just gonna try to upgrade everything so that I don't just find a new weak link. When you go to the Hcr dual sport kit, you can't run a factory 14-inch wheel anymore, so you have to go up to a 15. So I went with KMC grenade beadlocks in black. They also come in bronze. We have a couple different wheel options in stock. This is the one that, I don't know, it spoke to me the most, so I'm gonna go for that. And we also have a lot of tires in stock, but right now I'm just kind of trying different tires to see what my preference is. Moving towards the back, we've got the Hcr Trailing Arms, the skid plates. I'm using an Assault Industries billet radius rod plate, ZRP radius rod dog bones, and these are Hcr billet radius rods. Not everybody ends up having a suspension failure in these. You're not gaining any width. It's still 72 inches, but when you start riding hard and you start pushing these through trails, especially like we have in Florida where it's not just open dunes, like there's a lot of irregularities in the trail, I don't want to have to worry about getting stranded out there when I bend a radius rod or break a control arm or a ball joint. So we're going to go through and upgrade all this stuff, and then we'll take it out on the trail and see how it does. you.